This video is going to be summer special and exclusive curation of Chettinad cotton sarees. I'm going to show some beautiful cotton sarees. All these are pure premium quality Chettinad cotton sarees with zari woven borders, thread woven borders. And the most interesting part about Prashanti's collection of Chettinad cottons is all these sarees come with matching woven blouses that makes the job easy. These sarees come in beautiful designs and in perfect color combinations, making it a very versatile wear, be it a casual occasion or a formal work wear.